so cold. Today is a photo shoot day and we are shooting summer dresses and skirts, and it is 35 degrees and we're shooting on a windy rooftop, and otherwise it's a normal shoot day. It's really windy. There's a roof. There are some people out there. They're gonna think we're crazy. You're so cute. You're so bundled up. Now we're going to go to the other end of the roof where it's cold. But guys, literally, like, look at my foot. Like, I bled for this. I bled for this.
A few inches later.
Guys. Help.
Eventually.
Okay, 5 minutes to go. Have to get to the other side of the street. Go, 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 go. Right. Wrong way, sorry. Okay, so I'm meeting the clients there. We're gonna do a shoot in there because they requested to do an indoor shoot. So we're gonna try to make that happen. Low-key lost, but low-key, and I'm so cold, my mind isn't even working. Best result is sooner if you hold it up to your lips. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We throw it. 3. Oh, cute! I love it. Little spin. Oh. So we just finished our shoot. It went really well. The 4 girls that we shot, the 4 girls that we shot, I got to play with a lot of confetti and glitter and balloons today. So I am satisfied with life right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes of this vlog, and I'll have the photos linked in the description. I'll also have them in the vlog. Yeah, you already saw that. Also, the link to purchase my Lightroom presets will also be linked below. These are my ultimate Instagram bundles. So if you want to kind of emulate the same look as I do in my photos, feel free to purchase the presets, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay, bye!